Hey guys, Tarun here from Minus Gateway. So looks like after nbminer published their version 41 on GitHub, and we went in my previous video. I discussed about how to manually update them. So I will link that in the top section where you can view that video as well. As of now, it looks like HiveOS has pushed this update, and it is actually mentioning that if you take a look at the screen, the update is here, and it shows that nbminer version 41 introduced 100% LHR unlocker for Ethash, right? So since this rig of mine is not running any LHR cards, I have already moved my other rigs to the latest version of nbminer and the latest version of the OS. But what I did was I had manually updated the nbminer, so it is still working fine. And if you look at my screen, I'm getting about 50.06 and 61.04 on the 3060 Ti and on the 3060s. All of these are LHR cards, and they are doing pretty well as of now. So there were some stability issues, so I had to, you know, reboot these rigs and make sure that things are working fine. After that is when I actually am seeing a steady hash rate from past 3-4 hours without the rig crashing or anything of that sort. So in my case, what happened was I downloaded the drivers manually from the NVIDIA repository for since it was taking some time for 510.602 to 602 to uh, get downloaded via the NVIDIA driver update list command line. So I manually downloaded it separately. So I will. That is also posted in my previous video, so you can take a look at it there. As of now, looks like HiveOS has pushed this update. You can go ahead and download this and unlock all the necessary hash rates. You can unlock your LHR cards. Please do keep in mind again, this does not work for RTX 3050 and the RTX 3080 12 gigabyte version because they have LHR version 3. Whereas version 1 cards and version 2 cards are working absolutely fine. We are able to unlock the complete hash rate. Let me also show you my version 1 card. Here, if you look, I didn't update the OS version yet, but if you see, I am already running nbminer version 41. That is because I did a manual update of the miner yesterday. So you can check that video out for more details. Uh, as always, if you like my content, please do support me by liking and subscribing to my channel, and please do share this channel as well. And for any questions or comments, please do make sure that you put them down in the comment section below. I will actually respond to you as quickly as I can. For now, it looks like we are making progress towards 100% unlock with LHR. I see that there are some issues that have been reported for this particular nbminer. So there are some issues going on in GitHub, but hopefully I think they'll be able to patch this out very quickly. And I'm anticipating that other developers of T-Rex miner and LOL miner will follow suit soon. So until the next video, you guys take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.